there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I went from this right here, very basic black wig, closure wig, to a fringe wavy wig. If you want to see how I achieved this look, from coloring the hair to cutting it and restyling it, please keep on watching this tutorial. Let's get into it. To color the hair, I used 40 volume developer and this low rich hair color in 711, which is intense hash blonde. I actually used 3 packs or even almost 4 packs of this hair color and equal amount of the developer, and applied it all over the entire hair. You want to try as much as possible to apply it on the same levels of hair so that they have a uniform color. And after I applied the entire mixture all over the hair and washed it off and treated the hair, air dried the hair, and this is what the hair looks like after the coloring. It went from black to a brown because my clients requested that her wig is in the color brown, and this is what it looks like. So right now I'm about to start styling the hair, and what I'm doing right now is I want to straighten the hair before I start cutting it. I'm applying my Moroccan argan oil serum to the hair, and I'm just starting from the back side of the hair. That's the Moroccan argan oil serum I used, and that is the heat protectant spray. I'm spraying the heat protectant spray all over the hair while I comb through it, and I'm going to use my hair straightener to straighten the hair. The essence of straightening the hair is to ensure that when I curl the hair, the curls come out looking more beautiful. I can do without straightening the hair, but it's just better that I straighten the hair because I'm going to add some face framing layers to the front of this wig. That's the more important reason why it's necessary for me to straighten it, so that I get a very true to length look. I'm going to keep on straightening this hair from the back side until I get to the front side of the wig. So watch and see how I straighten the entire wig before I proceed to the next step. And if you're getting value from this video, please make sure you thumbs up this video. The last video I uploaded on YouTube, but it didn't get lots of likes. Please, I don't know, maybe I didn't edit that video well, or I didn't encourage you guys to like that video. But please, this particular video here, if I'm seeing, let's say, 1,000 views, I want to see at least 200 likes. Please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to thumbs up this video if you're watching it and you're learning something from it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, also do also subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly. So at this point right now, I'm going to start adding face framing layers to this wig. And you can see I'm using my scissors to cut this hair in a downward motion from the one side of the wig to the other side of the wig. And for the bottom part of the wig, I'm just going to make sure that the length is sort of equal at the bottom part, while I keep on adding those face framing layers all the way from the up part down to the bottom part of the wig. So you'd notice that I'm going from the up part all the way downwards, from the up part of the front to the downside. And for the front of the wig, because I'm trying to achieve a fringe, what I'm going to do is just cut out the hair in front, like level out the hair on the closure area in front, because this is actually a closure that I use in making this wig. I use 3 bundles of hair and a 4x4 closure. Yes, so I'm cutting out little hair, like 1 inch deep of the hair on the closure, and I'm going to start making sure that the hair on the closure area in front is shorter from the middle part, because the middle part is where we're going to have that fringe. We're cutting it like shorter on the middle part and then taking it downwards in a downwards slanting motion. How do I explain this? Okay, the hair on the middle part that is going to be in front of your face is going to be shorter, while the hair that is tending towards like the lower part of your face is going to be longer than the one that is directly facing your forehead, that is going to rest on your eyebrow area or your eye area, depending on how long you want your fringe to be. So we are cutting it on a downward motion after we've had the front to be sort of flat on our eye level. Then we start taking it downwards towards the rest of our face. So I'm going to keep on cutting layers, and next what I'm going to do is to start styling the hair by adding curls to the hair. So what I'm going to do now is just apply my Moroccan argan oil serum to the hair. I think I'm going to even style the front of the hair first. So I sprayed the heat protectant spray, and I'm using a hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. And I also applied the hair wax. The hair wax is just to ensure that all the hair is lays flat, and if there are any short strands, it also lays flat. With the heat on the hot coiling wand, it's going to ensure that the hair lays flat, and I'm just trying to ensure that I style the hair on one side and also proceed to style the hair on the other side of the closure as well, because this is going to be where the front, where the fringy look is going to be. I want to ensure that the fringe is really fringing, if there's a word like that. I'm using the hot coiling one to flatten the hair on the other side, and also sort of ensure that where the extensions, where the bundles meet the closure is really flat on this side of the wig. And I'm also going to ensure that the same is applicable on the other side of the wig. So right now what I want to start doing is start coiling the hair. So I cut out the up part of the wig, and I'm going to spray my heat protectant spray, comb through the hair and get a small section and start coiling the hair. If you're getting value from this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and share this video with somebody who's also going to get value out of it. Also subscribe to my channel if you've watched up to 3 of my videos and you haven't subscribed yet. Please join the family. You're already part of this family. Please click on that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video for you on our channel. Yes. And also check out my ebooks on my website, hair extensions and how to test its quality, and how to start your hair business. If you need knowledge about hair extensions, the extension industry, how to test your hair, how to just get better and be resilient in the hair industry, these books are really going to be of immense value to you. So head over to my website. The link is in the description box, or if you want to purchase the paperback as well, it's on Amazon. The link is also in the description box. Yes. If you want to buy a custom made wig from me, by custom made, it's just me making it big in a particular color that you want, in your particular head size, in a particular length that you want, unlike you just buying random wigs that are available on my Instagram page, which I already made in a different length that might not be the length that you want. So by ordering a custom wig, you get the length you want, you get the color you want, you get the wig size, cap size that you want. That's what makes the custom made wig different from the ready made wigs. Yes, back to coiling the hair. You can see we are just coiling the hair from one level to the next level, progressing upwards. And this is basically like the finishing part of this tutorial, because after we finish straightening the hair and adding the layers and styling the fringe area, the coiling part of the hair is almost like we are heading towards like the peak of the mountain before we start going down back. Let's say we're hiking. Yeah, so we are almost done with this tutorial. We have less than 6 minutes left to wrap up this video, so stay with me here. So I'm going to keep coiling this hair until I finish the entire process of coiling the wig. And you can see how I'm taking it in really small sections. Don't rush the process when you're coiling your hair, because to achieve the most beautiful look, you need to take your time and work in small sections. And after coiling the hair, use your the pin, the hair clip, to clip the hair on top so that the heat cools off and the coils can last so much longer. After coiling one side of the hair, I'm going to finish off coiling the entire wig by coiling what's left on the up part of this wig right here. Yes, before we proceed to the next step, which is letting the coils on the hair cool off for a couple of hours. I think I left the pins on the hair overnight, and then I took off the pins the following day. Yes. And then after taking off the pins, I think I then styled the wig. But let's just watch and see how I finished the whole process. So now I'm done with coiling the wig, and right now I'm just trying to cut out the length on one side of the fringe, because I noticed that it's really longer on this side, unlike the length on the other side. So I'm going to have to cut down the length a bit so it's not as long on this side, unlike how compared to how the other side is not so long. Yes, I'm not yet a pro when it comes to wig making, but I think I'm trying. And the beauty about doing any skill that you do, any craft that you do, it's about progress. It's not about perfection. It's about making progress on a daily basis. At this point here, it's time for me to take out the pins from the hair. And I'm going to take off all the pins that I used to hold up the coils. And after taking off the pins on the wig, we're going to go to the next step. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, please thumbs up this video. I'm begging you. Please support me. Thumbs up this video. Please. And make sure you share your thoughts in the comment section. What video do you want to see next on my channel? And I'll definitely work towards creating that content for you. Okay, guys. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram page is the same as my YouTube name, which is Linda Ezemedodo. My name and my surname together. And I'm also on TikTok. I'm also on Facebook, though I'm really not active on Facebook though. So just follow me on those on the other social media platforms. Yeah, I'm done with taking out the pins from the hair right now. So what I want to do now is just to finish up the styling of this wig. You can see it looks beautiful. Do I have to comb out the curls because right now it looks very, it's not giving the look I want to give. So I'm going to have to comb out the curls to sort of relax it a bit. So after arranging the hair on the up part, I'm going to start combing out the curls on the bottom part of the wig because I want it to look a bit more loose. I don't want these tight curls that it currently has. So I'm going to loosen up the curls by combing through it. Yes. And the more my client wears her wig, it's going to start to look more like a body weave with time. It's going to look more like a body weave. And that's the look that she really wants, which is the body weave look. Yes. Yeah. If you like how this wig turned out, let me know in the comment section if you liked how it turned. And this is actually the first time I'm doing this type of a fringe wig, and I think I liked how it turned out. So I feel like there's still room for improvement. Hopefully the next time I do it is going to come out looking better. But yeah, I'm just going to spray this heat protectant spray on the up part of this wig while I just flatten the hair around there a little bit more. Yes. Yeah. Flatten it all over. Styling is king when it comes to your wig making process. I'm trying to just ensure that the hair around the closure area is really laid flat and nice. So I'm just trying to ensure that I comb the hair down and flatten it and ensure that the line from the areas that I cut out on one side is also similar, or rather the same as the line, the parting area on the other side of the wig. So while I do that, I'm also going to use my T-pin to just ensure that that line is really clean. And after cleaning out the line with that T-pin, I'm going to go back with my hot coiling wand and flatten the hair around the closure area. And after flattening the hair around the closure area, what I'm going to do next is just to sort of bulb the hair on the fringe. That's that fringe area. I'm using a hot coiling wand to bulb the hair on the fringe area and just sort of flatten it to join it with the hair on the other side of the wig. Bulb it and then sort of comb it to unify it with the hair on the other side of the wig. Yes, that's just what I'm doing. Then you see that random strand right there. I'm going to cut out a little bit of it, and this is the finished look, guys. If you like how this wig turned out, if you like this wig, if you like how the coloring came out, the styling, let me know in the comment section. I think off camera I still went back to cut one side of the fringe that was slightly longer a bit more, and this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share with somebody who is also going to get value out of it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I sincerely appreciate you in all these years of you watching my videos on YouTube and sharing it, and leaving your positive comments in the comment section. I'm really grateful for your support. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.